gotta get out. Cause cold days feeling like nice with the in out. Green leaf grinding, I never took a stem out. Back to back, in out, pause till it drip out. Unlike you, I'm kinda different with my style. See, I'm walking down Walnut and kicking it in Cali. Don't tell your girlfriend the idol is my homeboy. I'm stuck in Louis Vuitton, you on the low, boy. These people hate, but I'm really on my grizzly hair. Lyrical pine box, 9-shot, 50 hair. I'm trying to shine like LeBron in his rookie year. And you a dope boy, sugar with the cookie hair. From Skateboard City, where the wheel spin. My keystone state of mind said I will win. I looked hard at the stars.
When I get old, I'ma be real cool. Sitting on the porch with a fresh pair of shoes. Whole bunch of stories for the neighborhood kids. Tell them to believe they'll be making it big. And I know that life is nothing easy. One day I'ma change the world and they'll finally believe me. From the outside looking in, it seems that I'm fine, but they don't know shit about the everyday grind. Time is money, money is time. They tell me get there in 5, but I'm running behind. I try and live a little, go and have a little fun. You only young ones, all the hating have you dumb. If life a joke, then I'm waiting for the pun. You all about the beef with me, I'm about to bun the bread. Cause I was just a little knucklehead. Now I got my shit together, spitting what they fucking with. If they ain't, it's great, no attention to the hate. Nothing changed, still cutting up, Henny still my drink. I'm still the same old dude, now I'm making moves. It's like everything I do, front page news. I ain't playing in this game to lose. I want it all, no secret. The change they